taking out a bit of his frustration on the wildebeest there, which is quite funny. He's a little bit. Wildebeest are ratting and obviously way too much testosterone, and that one taking on a rhino. It's quite funny. But it carries on those fairly thick legs, thick and sturdy legs, and they're remarkably fast. And ill-tempered, some people believe, especially the black rhino. It's got more anger issues than the white rhino, so fairly temperamental. They don't breed very well, so they need to be very comfortable before breeding sets in. So, but what a beautiful animal. You can see some oxpeckers on it, and fairly symbiotic relationship between the oxpecker and the rhino ticks. And keeps the rhino clean, and the oxpeckers are well fed. So happy that he's giving us a chance to just have a good look at him. And you can see the lip now from the side view on the top lip. Hooked, so it's used to kind of selectively pick off leaves, so it's a leaf-eating, browsing mammal, as opposed to white rhino that's grazing and eating grass. You can see the wind on the side of the rhino, and there is a theory that oxpeckers, once they run out of ticks, do keep those wounds open for a source of food and protein. So, it's not all 100% in that relationship, but yeah, you can see the wind, and it's definitely kept open a little bit. Yeah, the oxpecker is going down to it. So if there are no more ticks left, then certainly perhaps not as symbiotic as we thought. He's so alert and constantly listening to any noise, because he can't see this far, so he's aware of us, but he doesn't quite know what to make of us at the moment. But wow, what a beautiful animal. I mean, we should certainly do everything possible to keep these things with us, and just try and be sensible with regards to the use of rhino horn as a product, and that's certainly not the way to go. Okay guys, we're going to leave him in peace and continue our journey. Wow, almost overwhelming, but we got to move on. Just a very, very gentle departure. so that we don't bother him at all.